So I'm doing a crankshaft position sensor on the 2004 Audi S4. I gotta go to work here in a few hours, so I might have to redo it. So what I'm doing is taking off my coolant reservoir, a couple of other things. Angle for anything, but when you got a budget, phone, and cheap stuff, and not good working equipment, then there you go. You get what you got. So, sensor comes up right here. There's the plug. It goes down through. This is my wire right here. I know you cannot see in there well at all. It goes down. Almost broke that. That girl, right there. There she was. So she's right where everything connects, where the bell housing of the transmission is to the crank. The register is what apparently should be top dead center on something, and possibly the crank itself. Oh, there we go. That's what we're doing. So let's try and get back at it. Out here, I changed out the crankshaft position sensor on my 2004 Audi S4, and it's a little video about it. It's not really very good in depth. Here were the tools that I have and used. Tiny little ratchet with a little screwdriver piece, bit, whatever, like that thing. And I used a number 5. This one right here, this little guy. Don't mind them. I know they're a little rusty. I didn't have to take the catalytic converter off. I mean, maybe small hands, but it was just enough to squeeze it in there. Small one. It ends abruptly. So, there's just a little video. I hope you guys enjoy it.